ผู้โดยสารโปรดทราบงดใช้ห้องสุขาบนขบวนรถขณะรถจอดสถานีและขณะวิ่งผ่านตลาดลุ่มหุบขอบคุณค่ะขบวนรถเที่ยวนี้จะเป็นขบวนรถเที่ยวสุดท้ายที่จะรับส่งผู้โดยสารจากสถานีแม่กลองไปสุดปลายทางสถานีบ้านแหลมค่ะ
The Mae Klong Railway market is a local market in Samut Songkhram province, commonly called Siang Thai or life-risking market. The market is a Hurom market, which refers to the practice of opening and closing umbrellas to make room for the train. This incredible setup makes it one of the attractions in Thailand that you just have to experience yourself. The market itself is over 100 meters in length and located near the Mae Klong Railway station in the Mueng district. Aside from the location, which follows the train tracks for the entire time, the market is a typical Thai market selling seafood, vegetables, fruits, fresh and dried fruits, meats and other miscellaneous goods. The market itself operates from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. The name Life-Risking Market refers to the fact that the market is built along the railway tracks of an active railway that will pass through 8 times a day.
From oncoming or departing trains, please always be aware of standing behind the red line. Standing behind the red line.
Excuse me, inside.
The practice is usual for vendors and local people, but not for tourists who will definitely find the scene exciting and enjoyable at each visit. If you plan to visit Mae Klong Railway Market, make sure to align your visit with the timetable of the train. Every time the train is coming by, the market will be crowded with people. Thank you for visiting the Mae Klong Railway Market with us. If you want to support our small channel, a like goes a long way. See you on the next one.